You're making a huge mistake if you ignore this YouTube opportunity. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and suddenly, boom, someone just made $10,000 overnight from a YouTube channel that didn't even exist a few months ago. No fancy equipment, no talking on camera, no endless editing marathons. And here's the part that hurts the most. It could have been you. But instead, you scrolled past this opportunity. You kept waiting for the perfect time to start. You told yourself, I'll do it later. And now someone else is getting paid for what you could have done. Sound familiar? This is your wake-up call. Because today, I'm pulling back the curtain on a hidden YouTube niche that's making creators insane money with just 30 minutes a day and almost no competition. But here's the catch. Time is running out. This niche is blowing up fast, and the algorithm always favors early movers. If you don't take action now, you'll be kicking yourself when it's too late. So stick with me till the end, because I'm about to give you the exact formula to start today, even if you have zero experience. Why most YouTubers fail and why you won't. Let's get real for a second. Most YouTubers fail before they even start. They enter oversaturated niches like gaming, vlogging, or generic finance, where competition is brutal. They waste hours making content that no one watches. They chase viral trends, hoping for a lucky break, only to realize luck isn't a strategy. YouTube isn't about going viral. It's about creating smart, strategic content that the algorithm loves and pays you big. And that's why this niche is a gold mine, because instead of fighting for attention, you'll be instantly positioned in a space where people are actively searching for what you offer. And once you're in, you'll win every single time. The secret YouTube niche that prints money. All right, let's talk about what makes this niche so powerful. It's not just another make money online scam. It's not drop shipping, not crypto, not generic self-improvement. This is a highly profitable niche that has sky-high engagement rates. People can't stop watching. Takes almost no effort to create. Seriously, just 30 minutes a day. Pays up to 10x more per view than regular YouTube videos. This is the perfect storm of opportunity. So what is it? Before I tell you, let me ask you this. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and before you knew it, 3 hours had passed? That's the power of high retention content. And this niche masterfully hooks viewers from start to finish, without the need for your face, voice, or expensive editing. Let's break it down. Why this niche prints cash like a money machine. To understand why this niche is different from the rest, let's look at the 3 game-changing factors. 1. People get hooked and can't stop watching. What if I told you there's a way to make content that forces people to watch until the very end? Most YouTube videos lose half their audience in the first 30 seconds. But in this niche, viewers stay glued to their screens. That means YouTube boosts your videos in the algorithm, pushing them to thousands, sometimes millions of people for free. 2. You can make these videos in less than 30 minutes. No, seriously. Most people think growing on YouTube means spending hours on content. But this niche allows you to use simple yet highly engaging scripts, leverage free stock footage and animations, automate or outsource most of the process. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. 3. The money here is stupidly good. Most people think YouTube creators only make money from ads. But in this niche, you can make money from day one. High CPM rates advertisers pay a premium for this audience. Affiliate marketing, promoting products with huge commissions. Sponsorship deals, brands pay big for visibility in this space. And here's the best part. You don't need millions of views to make serious money. Even a small channel in this niche can make thousands per month. The biggest risk? Doing nothing. Now you have 2 choices. Ignore this opportunity. Keep scrolling. Keep waiting. Keep letting others take the money you could be making. Take action right now. Start today. Build a channel that makes money while you sleep. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only question is, will you take it? Let's talk about something uncomfortable. What happens if you do nothing? Every single day, thousands of new YouTube channels pop up. Some of them will fail, but a few smart creators will crack the code and build life-changing income streams. And here's the hard truth. Every day you wait, you're falling behind. While you're hesitating, someone else is taking action. While you're stuck in planning mode, someone else is executing. And in 6 months, when they're making thousands from their channel, you'll be stuck wondering, why didn't I start back then? Time is the one thing you can never get back. And in the digital world, early movers always win. So let's break down exactly what you're risking if you don't start today. 1. Lost income. You're leaving money on the table. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about leveraging a proven system that works. Think about this. A small channel in this niche can make $3,000 to $5,000 per month with just 10 to 15 videos. Bigger channels are making $50,000 plus per month with completely faceless content. Some YouTubers quit their 9-to-5 jobs in under a year by using this method. And all of this is possible without showing your face, without expensive gear, and without endless hours of work. 2. Missed opportunity. Your future self will regret this. There's a reason top entrepreneurs say, the biggest regrets aren't from the things you did, they're from the things you didn't do. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. If you start today, you could have a profitable YouTube channel making passive income. If you don't, you'll be in the same place, wishing you had started earlier. Which version of your future do you want? 3. Losing your spot before it's gone. Here's something most people don't realize. YouTube niches get saturated fast. Right now, this niche is an open gold mine. The competition is still low and early adopters are making insane money. But in 6 months, 12 months, the floodgates will open. More people will discover this niche. More creators will jump in. And just like that, the easy money window will close forever. The question is, will you claim your spot before it's too late? How to get started in the next 24 hours. Even if you have zero experience. You don't need weeks of preparation. You don't need fancy skills. You just need to take the first step. So let me show you exactly how you can launch your channel in the next 24 hours, step by step. Step 1, pick your winning niche. Most YouTube creators fail because they go too broad. Instead, choose a micro niche that has a high demand, low competition audience, can be monetized beyond just AdSense, taps into human curiosity, fear, or aspiration. Here are some high-profit niche ideas that work insanely well. AI automation and future tech, how AI is secretly replacing millions of jobs. Psychology and human behavior, the dark side of dopamine, why you're addicted. Money and passive income, 5 hidden side hustles no one talks about. Conspiracy and mystery, deep dives, the truth about trending conspiracy. Elite mindset and productivity hacks, the billionaire morning routine, do this for 30 days. These topics have viral potential and high-paying advertisers, which means more views and more money. Step 2, create your first video. You don't need to be a video editor. You don't even need to record your own voice. Here's the fastest way to make a high-quality video. Find a trending topic. Use YouTube search, Google Trends, or Reddit to find viral discussions. Write a compelling script. Use ChatGPT to generate an engaging script in seconds. Use AI-generated voiceovers. Tools like 11 Labs, Murph, or Speechify can create professional narration. Add stock footage and animations. Use free resources like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva. Edit everything in an easy tool. CapCut or InVideo makes editing drag and drop simple. This process takes less than 30 minutes. And once you have 5 to 10 videos, you can start monetizing. Step 3, monetize your channel immediately. Most YouTubers wait months to get monetized. But in this niche, you can start making money from day one. Here's how. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands pay for shoutouts even on small channels. Digital products. Sell exclusive guides, templates, or courses. YouTube ads. Earn passive income once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. With the right approach, you can make your first $1,000 even before you hit monetization. This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. You now have everything you need to start. The opportunity is right in front of you. But knowledge alone won't change your life. Action will. So here's what you need to do right now. Like this video if you're serious about building your YouTube empire. Subscribe, because I'll be dropping even more insider strategies that you won't find anywhere else. Comment below with "I'm ready" if you're done waiting and ready to take control of your future. Share this with a friend who needs to hear this, because success is even better when you bring others with you. This is your wake-up call. The question is, will you answer it?